Paristiti is very bad, particularly in Chattogram. Chattogram is a city, it's a big city, and it is a port city also. And now the situation is going to be worse, bad to worse, because in the meantime, Chinmoy Prabhu has been arrested without any lawful authority. They have framed charges against this Prabhu, sedition charges, Rashtradrohita. How it is possible? The sedition charges. Why permission was not taken from the government of Bangladesh? Why? Sedition charges cannot be charged without permission from the local government. They have not taken any permission from the government. So the authority has committed illegality, wrong. So this should be investigated again, because we are a human rights defender. We are working for the protection of the rights of the minorities in Bangladesh since long. I am doing this job 2001. And we are giving legal services to the particularly minority community. We are not a political party. We are human rights defenders. We are a human rights organization, Bangladesh Minority Watch, and also Human Rights Congress for Bangladesh Minority. So we are not political men. We expect the government of Bangladesh should take necessary steps for the protection of the rights of the minority community in Bangladesh.
What type of torture you have faced?
I faced 3 times, this time. But previously, 4 years ago also, some lawyers of the advocate, they have started to beat from my backside. So they said, you are the lawyer of the Supreme Court. That may be, but you cannot practice here because of my religious identity. This is the problem.
No, only Hindu, yeah, all minorities are tortured.
Yes, all minorities, particularly Ahmadiyya community. We are also doing legal services to Ahmadiyya community. They are Muslim. We are not only fighting for the minority Hindus. We are fighting for all. It is a legal service to the community as a whole. So, I am a secular person.
Chinmoy Prabhu arrest, is this wrong or right?
It is wrongly arrested, falsely arrested. There are some cases. He has not killed a lawyer. He has not committed any offense under section 302. He has been killed, no doubt. Who has killed, it is now under investigation. The Hindus are not involved because, 71 lawyers, they have been implicated in a false case, that is murder case. So they are not in a position to go to the court. They are not in a position to appear before the court. What is this? What is their crime? They have been beaten mercilessly. And one of our colleagues is now in the hospital.
Sir, you see this government, Bangladesh government, now is run, Yunus, or back in the stages, any others?
So Yunus has committed wrong because he's a new government. He promised us that no torture upon the Hindus will be available. But what we are observing, one after another, complete discrimination against this person, minority person is going on. Discrimination, not only discrimination, inhalation of the minority community. They are not getting any justice.
What do you think this is remedy?
Remedy, we should be united. We should not leave the country. We should stay Bangladesh for the protection of the rights of other 2 crore Hindu communities. We should not leave the country. I also told several times in this media, also Kolkata media, I told during a meeting when you know him, Tathagata Rai, Professor Tathagata Rai was there. I told it is not a great problem for you. But it is possible for you because you only hesitate for the protection of the rights of the minorities. Minority means Hindu, Buddhist, Christian, and also other indigenous minorities. They are not being protected. Each and every time the women and children are going to be raped. And also they are converted, they are also displaced in different parts of the country. This government particularly have committed a wrong. We expected good from Muhammad Yunus.
You think the Pakistan or China is intervened that matter?
I don't know because I am not a politician. I am a human rights defender. So I do not know what would happen, but we must fight legally. We do not like to do anything contrary to the constitution, contrary to the law. It is our objectives.
Day to day is Bangladesh going to another situation. So what is
Very unfortunate, very unfortunate, very unfortunate.
now time is the international law is provided and the other.
We are also thinking over this matter. Our generation, particularly those who are working in USA, Canada, and also Africa. Our organization is there also. Human Rights Congress for Bangladesh Minorities based in America, California. They are conducting all these things for the protection of the rights of the people of the country, particularly minority people. But they are not getting any justice. I have visited so many districts of Bangladesh. We have our documentation. We have documented so many evidence of torture, intimidation, death, and also rape, gang rape, and also temple destruction, and also desecration of the temple and deity.
After treatment, you are going back to Bangladesh. Then you are reaching your torture already. Your life risk is then.
There is a life risk, no doubt. But who will get them, give them justice? They are not getting justice. Who will do this? The government is anti-democratic.
So now no other remedy this situation is covered up.
Remedy only fight for existence. We are fighting for our existence. Otherwise, nobody will be able to help us. 53 years, our independence has been, past 53 years. What we got? Nothing. Secularism was there in the constitution that has been abrogated by the successive government of Bangladesh. Who will do this work? It is the duty of the government to protect minorities, but they are not protecting.
Next 2nd January date?
Yes, fixed. Then on that day also I will be appearing on that very day.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Namaskar.